Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can unhide the post from the Facebook timeline. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open the Facebook app and make sure you have logged in into the account, and on the top right corner you will see the three line icon. Tap on it. You will be access to this page where on the top right near the search icon you will find the gear like icon. Tap on it. You need to scroll down and under your activity you will find your activity log option. Tap on it. Tap on your activity across the Facebook, and from the drop down you will need to select the post, and again you need to tap on post hidden from profile, and here you can choose the post that you have hidden from the Facebook timeline. So you need to tap on three dotted line, and here you will see the option to add to profile. Tap on it. So following this way you can easily unhide the post from Facebook timeline. Thank you.